Hi, you guys. I am finally back with a update on the Hello Kitty Funko Pop that was stolen from one of my high school students after it was gifted to me 6 years ago from my third grade student. I know a lot of you guys have a lot of questions, and I'm going to answer them now. So this is going to be the final update about it. So to start off, no, I did not ever get it back. No one has came forward to give it back to me. So unfortunately, they probably have sold it already or whatever the case may be. So no, I did not get it back for those of you that want to know. Secondly, it is now in the hands of my school. They will take care of everything else from here. They are handling the situation, and I'm very grateful that they are supporting me. Number 3, no, I do not know who stole my Hello Kitty Funko Pop. I am not aware of that. No, I do not have cameras in my classroom, but my school is going to handle that. I just want everybody to know the point of this situation was not because I wanted a student to go to jail, not because I wanted a student to get arrested, not because I wanted a student to get in trouble. But I want students to realize there are consequences for your actions, right? I am a teacher. I am here to teach them life lessons. You cannot go around doing whatever you want and think there's not going to be a consequence to your action. I am responsible to make sure that I am helping produce great humans that's going to go out into the world and become the next teachers and nurses and doctors, right? I just want to thank everyone for their support through this situation. I did not know it was going to be such a big news topic, but it is real. It is my real experiences. I did not make this up. This really did happen to me. It really did hurt my feelings. I really did care about my Hello Kitty Funko Pop. Again, I did not know the value of it because I don't collect them. I received it as a gift. I thought it was just a $10 gift that I received from a student. And thank you to TikTok. They let me know the actual value of this item. And for people saying that it's just a toy, it's not just a toy. However, if it is just a toy, it's my toy. Even if it's just my pen, my stapler, my sock, my piece of gum, it is mine and no one should steal it. So the overall message I want everyone to understand is I want you to make sure that you are standing on business about yourself, about your items, and about how you feel. So again, thank you guys so much for all your support. I see all the comments, I get all the messages, and it means a lot that I have a lot of people really rooting for me and hoping that I get it back. So this will be the last update unless I get it back. So fingers crossed, maybe in the future I get it back. If I don't, I'm very grateful for all the new Funko Pops that I have received from my amazing followers and people that support me. So thank you guys so much for following this journey. And I hope I have answered all your questions. If not, you can ask in the comments below and I may address it. If not, then that's all. Thank you guys again.